How to turn iPhone screen into 4000 UVC for Laptop OBS. Connect to the Laptop OBS for live broadcasting. Usually, what comes to use of this USB-C hub? HDMI output. Connect in this way. Then, through this HDMI capture card, connect to your laptop. This has a big problem. If you use the vertical screen mode to present it in OBS, more than 2/3 of the true resolution will be wasted. You will only use less than 1/3 of the true resolution. And when you go live like this, the picture quality will be very, very poor. We're going to introduce something special today. It's called Smartphone Screen Rotation and Mirroring Adapter. This thing can turn your phone screen into UVC output. The point is what I just said. Waste more than 2/3 of the true resolution. It will be completely solved. Then this thing has two modes that can be connected. One is to connect in wired USB mode. The other is the wireless mode. Let's first introduce the wired way to connect. This converter, there is a method called UVC output. Let's connect the UVC to the computer first. Connect to the UVC output here. This converter requires a power supply. Connect a DC 5-volt power supply. Then, please turn on your OBS. Add a video capture device. Then grab a USB 3.0 device. For resolution, I chose 4K. 3840 to 160 here. Pull it to the appropriate size. This image is a true 4K resolution. When you see this video, connect your iPhone to a USB-C cable. If it's a Lightning iPhone, just use a Lightning cable. This is USB-C iPhone. I connected to this adapter with this USB-C cable. There is a place called USB in to connect to it. At this time, your iPhone. It will automatically cast the screen to your computer. This is the area where the left and right black edges are wasted. More than 2/3 of the true resolution. There are two buttons on this side of our converter. One is rotation. This is a physical rotation. We want to present a real resolution. Just press this one. This one is real. Let it fill up. The first one is pressed. Like this. Good. At this point, you will see a little bit of black border. There are two ways to deal with it. One is for your OBS to crop. The other is to cut by the hardware. This is a button that is digitally zoom modify. The first is this fill mode. He will get fat. This font will get fat. Then there is this cropping mode. It is that the font is maintained in normal proportions, but the top and bottom will be cut off. Then our iPhone at this time. You will successfully cast the screen to your computer OBS. Then it's about taking your image. Just turn it to 90 degrees. Then, this perspective has to become a portrait mode. Just change this. This is changed to 1080 x 1920. Okay, at this time, just pull it to the appropriate size. Please note that the resolution within this red line is real resolution. Our converter will have the left and right black borders just now. Physically make it appear full of frames. Then, use this digital amplification pattern. Cut off a little bit of the black edge. I use crop mode. Cut off the top and bottom. That's when I can play with that Rubik's Cube. Or any game. Like this. This is no problem. You can also use your iPhone as a skin beautifying camera. Open it like this. In this way, it can be used as a live broadcast of the skin beauty camera. Okay, you can adjust some parameters here. Oh, these cheeks and whatever. Yes, it can be adjusted. After adjusting, finally, just press a little here. It is clean. You see it like this. Currently, it is connected by wire. Second, let's introduce the wireless connection. You just need to unplug the USB cable just now. Then I'll go to this setting. I went to connect the Wi-Fi of this. The Wi-Fi SSID is called HCCAST. Click in. Then he called it 12,345,678. After connecting, please pull down with your hands. There is one here. AirPlay will see the name. Click in. At this time, your iPhone will automatically cast to your laptop OBS. It's the same as the gameplay just now. Of course, you can also do this physical rotation. Press this physical rotation. Then you can also do this digital zoom. Oh! In this way, the number method is to put the black border. Cut it out automatically. That's a little bit of black border left. You can stretch it a little more with this. Like this. Good. This is a wireless connection. Other than that, this converter has an HDMI output on its own. I can connect to my TV. I just turn the TV 90 degrees. I can also present a vertical screen mode. The same principle. You can use the hotkeys here because he now has a little black border on the left and right. I can use this hotkey. Corrected it by digital zoom. Oh, and this is the fill mode. Then there's the crop mode. We are now playing a game with a vertical screen, or a vertical screen for beautiful skin. What if I switch to this app or skin beauty camera with a horizontal screen today? This is a horizontal screen. Then your OBS will make up for the black borders. The same principle. Let's physically turn him back first. Turn it back. That's right. The presentation is right. Okay, and then turn OBS to normal. A horizontal live broadcast will do. Okay, that's it. I am now playing horizontally. On OBS, it is presented horizontally. The TV is presented horizontally. No problem. This method can turn the iPhone screen into UVC. Connect to your OBS Studio and your TV. The connection method is in addition to the current wired. You can also connect wirelessly. Then the image on the TV. It is consistent with the image above in your OBS.